Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I did create this green smoky eye prom look because I know a lot of you girls and guys are going to prom this year, so that's what I decided to do. Prom is all about making memories and having fun with the people you spent the last 4 years with, so I hope that you all enjoy prom and enjoy this look. But first, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Turn on your post notifications, that way you're notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So before you guys wonder, I was wearing a top, so I went ahead and did my brows off camera per usual. Now I'm just going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in medium and concealing my eyes with that and also using it as a primer. Now I'm going to be going into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and the first color that I'm going to be using is called Creamsicle. This is kind of like a mustardy yellow type color. It's perfect for a transition color, especially if you're doing a brown smoky eye, just because it's like that perfect yellow color but not too like yellowish, like that bright yellow. So after that, I'm going to be using the color Pukey in my crease. So Pukey is kind of like a darker brown color, not so much too dark, but it's like the perfect brown color. So I'm just going to be using that right on top of Creamsicle and blending those two colors together. Now I'm going to be using the color Roxanne, and this is more of a brick kind of red type color, but it's giving the perfect amount of warmth to the eye look. So I'm just blending this on both eyes, and then after that I'm going to be going back into Pukey and just buffing out the edges of this color. So now I'm going to be going into the color Mocha and just deepening up the crease, and I do want to have that gradient effect, so I just focus this more on my outer V and then just started blending all of the colors together, as you can see me doing right here. So just blending everything together. Now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape again and using this Wet n Wild concealer brush just to give myself a half cut crease. I was debating on making this a full cut crease, but I think the half cut creases are really nice, especially for prom, or with my eye shape at least. They look better on me than the regular cut creases do. Now I'm going to be going in with the color Diva, and this is just a beautiful metallic-y green color, and when I put this color on, it reminded me kind of like a mermaid type green, but that's just me. But I really do love this color. So, and you guys, the color that I put on top of it, which is Pool Party, made it just look more metallic and just more beautiful. So I really love the way that it turned out. I'm really glad that I picked these colors to put together. So now I'm going to be going back into Mocha and just blending those two colors together, just so that everything's blended. Now I'm going to be going in with Soda Pop, and this is kind of, it looks like a black color, but it's not. It's more of a dark brown. So just blending everything together. Now I'm going to be going in with this Revlon eye art stick thingy and using the glitter side of it just to pop on top of those green colors, just to be, you know, extra, because I'm extra as hell. So I thought it looked really nice. Now I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner and just lining my eyes for the falsies, because I didn't want to do a wing just because I didn't want to take away from the eyeshadow and the glitter and everything like that. So I'm just basically giving my eye just a line of liner. Now I'm going to prep my eyelashes for falsies, so I'm just using this mascara. I think it's by Rimmel. Now I'm going to be using these Nicole Guerrero lashes. These are actually really nice. Me, I personally like really dramatic lashes, so I was like, maybe these won't be too as dramatic, you know what I mean? Or like dramatic enough, but when I put them on, they actually looked really nice. So I'm really happy that I chose these. So this is what they look like. I know they're cute. They're perfect. So now I'm just been going in with this moisturizer and moisturizing my face so I can get ready for, you know, primer and foundation and whatnot. So now after that, I'm going to be using this primers and this kind of moisturizer primer type thing from Clinique and just putting that in my T-zone, just because I do use it as a primer, so, and that's where I get most oily. Now I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation and my Maybelline Fit Me and mixing them two together, just because the Fenty one is really lightweight and then the Fit Me one has no flashback and it's really good coverage. And I'm also taking my L'Oreal Lumi primer just to have that dewy finished looking foundation. Wait, I'm tripping now. To have that dewy look under my foundation. There you go. and just blending it out with this kabuki brush from e.l.f. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and concealing my under eyes. And blending it out with the pointed foundation brush from Real Techniques. And I am aware, you guys, my face does look a little lighter than my neck, but whatever. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and first I'm setting my under eyes so that they don't crease, and then I'm going to be setting my whole face with it as well. Now I'm going to be going in with this bronzer. This bronzer is actually from Victoria's Secret. My sister works there, so she gets like all these free samples of makeup, and she brought me this one because she knows that I love makeup. And this bronzer is actually really, really good. I really didn't think it was going to be good just because it's Victoria's Secret makeup, but I guess it really was. I mean, it's really, really nice. It's not too orange or anything like that. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia contour kit and taking the color Fawn and Havana and mixing them together and contouring my cheeks with that, and also just my temples and my nose just a little bit. Now I'm going in with this blush by Clinique. I think it's in Berry Delight, and I love this blush because it's not too pink, and I'm not really a blush type person, but this blush suits me very well, so I love it so much. Now I'm just going to be setting my face with my setting spray before highlight, and for highlight I'm going in with the Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter in 100, and oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy I got this highlighter. It is beyond beautiful. It's really gold, so like it goes well with my skin tone, and look how beautiful it is. It's like crazy. Like, look at me, I'm going crazy over it, but it's really, really cheap, and it's really, really beautiful. So if you can get your hands on it, definitely recommend it because it's probably the best highlighter in the drugstore right now, in my opinion. And you know me, like I said in the video earlier, I'm extra as hell, so I'm just going to be highlighting my whole body. You'll see in a minute. Yeah, look at that. I'm highlighting my whole body. Oh my god. But anyways, like, isn't it gorgeous? Like, look how beautiful it reflects off your body. Like, it's beautiful. Like, I don't even know what to say about it. It's gorgeous. Okay, moving on. Now I'm just going to be taking Soda Pop on my lower lash line and blending that on my lower lash line. So now I'm just going to be coating it with mascara, just so that my lower lashes have mascara, and also my top ones, just to blend my real lashes with my falsies. Now I'm going to be going in with this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Hawkward, I think that's the shade. I don't know. I have it in the description box down below. So I thought this was too mauve-y, which I didn't really want to go for that kind of look. So I went ahead and took this Maybelline lipstick in 215. Again, don't know the shade. I'll leave it down below. But it ended up coming out to my perfect nude. So after that, I'm just going to use my Make It Last setting spray and just spray my face. So that way everything's locked in. And after that, that's basically it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So that is basically off this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. I am going to have a series of prom looks. So this is just my first one that I decided to do. And like I said in the beginning, I hope that you all enjoy prom and just have a great time. Be safe. And graduation's right around the corner after that. So I hope that you guys have an amazing time, and thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!